We've all heard the phrase death by PowerPoint. When an audience dies a slow death because the speaker simply reads everything they're going to say during their presentation, or they create these crazy busy slides where the slide's more of a distraction than it is helpful. We like to call that the show up and throw up approach to presenting, and it's not effective. In the iSpeak visual storytelling workshop, you're going to learn how to storyboard your message before you build the slides. You'll learn how to focus your audience's attention and how to make sure that all of your slides have a point. They drive home the meaning or the purpose of your message. We're also going to teach you a lot of tips and tricks in PowerPoint to help you create your slide deck a lot faster. So the next time you have to create slides for a presentation, we're going to help you create a more memorable presentation experience. We look forward to seeing you in the visual storytelling workshop.